Hi guys! Sa mga naghahanap po ng investment or primary home dito po sa General Trias, Cavite. So we have Amaya Escapes po, which is under po ng Ayala Land. We have available unit po, which is 175k DP, payable na po ng 3 months. For only 175k po, meron na po tayong 100 square meter lot area na may total of 60 square meter floor area. Ang turnover po pala ng ating unit is basic finish po. But ang kinagandahan po dito is open for renovate and expansion po si Amaya. So we have a freedom of choice para makapili po ng ating sariling design. Provision for 2 to 3 bedrooms po ang ating unit at may dalawa ng CR. At kung may sasakyan ka naman, don't worry kasi hindi problema ang parking dito kay Amaya. Kaya kung interested ka, PM mo lang ako.